In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Gmail account to Outlook, making it easier for you to manage your emails in one unified app. Let's dive right in and take this step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate Gmail with your Outlook account. To get started, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Sign In button. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Make sure to enter your Google account credentials to log in. After you've signed in, click on Gmail, which should take you directly to your Gmail dashboard. Once you've accessed your Gmail dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You'll find this option by looking for the gear icon, again typically located in the upper right hand corner of your Gmail window. After clicking the gear icon, a drop down menu will appear. Here you'll select See All Settings to access a more comprehensive menu of options. Now you're in the main settings menu. Locate the tab labelled Forwarding and Pulp IMAP. This tab is where you can control how Gmail interacts with other mail services. Click on this tab. Once you're here, find the section called IMAP Access. What you want to do is to make sure the IMAP protocol is enabled, as this allows Outlook to access your Gmail messages. Having enabled IMAP, the next step involves switching over to your Outlook program. Open Outlook on your computer and go to the File tab, usually found in the top left corner of the app. From there, choose Add Account. This option allows you to add a new email account to Outlook, and we've prepared Gmail for this exact purpose. In the Add Account window, you will be prompted to enter your Gmail email address. Carefully type in your address and hit Connect. Outlook will automatically configure many of the settings needed for Gmail, but you might be asked to provide your Gmail password for verification. Make sure you enter it correctly and follow any additional prompts for permissions or confirmations that may appear. If all goes well, Outlook will confirm the addition of your Gmail account and you'll see your Gmail inbox appear in the navigation pane. You can add more accounts or adjust settings as required. If you encounter any issues, double check your IMAP settings in Gmail and ensure your internet connection is stable. That's it, you've successfully added your Gmail account to Outlook. This integration should help you streamline your email management by bringing multiple accounts under one roof, improving your productivity and convenience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.